Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine at your home? Okay, as you know, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the chapter number 14, Rupees and Paise. Okay, so let's see, one girl is like you, she is a Ritu and she is going for shopping. So, what we need to buy the things? Yes, right, money. So she need money for the shopping or to buy the things. See, this is a money. Yes, without money you cannot buy things. Yes, na? Okay, but in old days there is no money. So how they can buy the things? They use barter system. So what do you mean by barter system? In that they can exchange their things with each other. That means people exchange their things or goods or services with each other. After some time, this barter system is to be going and money is to become to buy the things. Yes. So in our India, this money we can use in the form of rupees and paise. Okay. In other country, it may be used in the different form. Yes, na, in dollar, yen. But in India, we can use it in the form of rupees and paise. Okay. This rupees and paise we can use in the form of coins and currency notes. Okay. So this rupees and paise we called it as a currency. What we called it as a currency. So our India currency is what? Rupees and paise. And we can use it in the form of currency notes and coins. Have you seen the notes and coins in the market? Yes. Let's see. See, these are the coins that we can use to buy the things. 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin. Yes. In old days, there is 50 paise coin is also there. 25 paise coin is also there. 1 paisa, 2 paisa. All these smaller value coins are also available. But nowadays, we can use only these coins. Okay. Also, in the notes, there are new notes are available now. That is the 10 rupees notes, 20 rupees notes, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 200 rupees note is also there. Yes. And 2000 rupees note. So these notes we can use nowadays. In old days, before days, we also use the 1000 rupees notes and the notes are available. Older notes. Yes, na, 10 rupees old notes, 20 rupees old notes. Yes, na, but nowadays form of the note is to be changed. Okay, so we can use these notes and coins to buy the things from the market or from the shop. Yes, na? Okay. Now, students, this rupees we can denote it as a RS and paisa we can denote it as a P. The symbol of rupees is this one. Okay, so let's see how we can write the rupees and paise in the figures. I have supposed the 20 rupees note and 50 paise coin. So how I can write it? Let's see. Yes, first of all I can write the rupees symbol. Then how many rupees are there? 20 rupees. So I can write 20. Then dot. What is dot doing? Dot separates the rupees from the paise. Okay. Then I write 50. So 50 shows that is a paise. Okay. Okay, student. So this rupees is a big value and paise having a low value. Okay. So let's see how we can count the total money and how we can write the total amount of money in the form of figures or in the words. Okay students, let's see the question. Write the amount of money shown by the notes and coins in numerals and words both. Okay, here you can see some notes is here and coins also. So you have to write this money in the form of numerals, that means in the figure, and also in the words. So let's see how we can write it. So whatever the total money is given here, you have to just add of that notes and coins. हमको क्या करना है, वो notes and coins को add करना है. Then we get the total money. Okay, so first of all see which note is here, 500, then 100. So 500 plus 100, 600. Now 600 plus 20, so 620. Yes, now 620 plus 5 rupees note, so 625, and then 2 rupees coin. Okay, so what is the sum here? 625 is there plus 2, so 627. Okay, so what is the total money here? So we can write out the money by the symbol rupees. Okay, so we write here rupees 627. So in this way we can write out in the figure. There is no money of the paisa. Okay, पैसे के फॉर्म में कुछ मनी है? No, all is in the rupees. Okay, so you can write it 00 for that, showing the paisa is 00. Okay, so rupees and paisa we can separate it by using the dot. Okay, and always paisa is written in the 2 digits. Okay, now let's see how we can write into the words. Okay, so we write rupees 627. There is no passage, so we cannot write it. So what is the money in the words? Rupees 627. Now let's see the example number 2. Here again some combination of notes and coins are given. So to write the total money, first of all we have to count it. Okay, so which note is first? 200. So 200 plus 50 rupees note, 250. 250 plus 10 rupees note, that means 260. Then 260 plus 10 rupees coin. Yes, so 270. Now 5 rupees coin, so 275. Okay, you can also write here also. See, first of all rupees 200 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 10 plus again rupees 10 plus rupees 5, then plus rupees 1 and plus how many? 50 paise. Okay, so in this way you can write in the addition form. Now all you have to count it. So 200 plus 50, 250, 250 plus 10, 260 plus 10, 270 plus 5, 275 plus 1, 276. Okay, and here paisa. So we cannot add the paisa in the rupees. Okay, so how many it is? Total rupees 276. Dot is for separating the rupees and paise. So how many paise? 50 paise. So we can write here 50. Okay, so in this way you can write out in the figure. Now how we can write it into the words? So let's write. First of all write rupees 200 76 200 rupees 276 and so when there is a rupees and paise both are given, then for dot you had to write down the and 50 paise. Okay, always remember paise will return at the back side and rupees will return at the starting. Okay, so what is the how we can write the number in the figure? Rupees 276. For dot we can use the and 50 paise. Okay. Okay students, now let's see how we can write the amount of money. Now here money is given in the form of words. Okay, यहाँ पे notes नहीं show हो रहे. Okay, so you have to just read out and then you have to add and find out the total money. Okay, चलो let's see. Number 1, 3 rupees 50 notes. So 50 rupees notes के कितने हैं? How many? 3. Okay, so we can write it out here. That is 3 multiplied by rupees 50. Okay, so how many? So 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15. That means how many total money is here? Rupees 150. Okay, now let's see next. Rupees 20 note. 20 rupees की note कितनी है? Only 1. Okay, so we can add it out. Rupees 20. Okay, now the next and 5 rupees 5 coins. तो 5 rupees के कितने coins है total? 5. So we can multiply that 5 to the rupees 5. Okay, so 5 5s are total how many? Rupees 25. So we get here 3. 50 rupees के 3 notes, that means rupees 150. 20 rupees के only 1 note, so that is rupees 20. And 5 rupees के 5 coins, that means rupees 25. So you can add this all three. So rupees 150 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 25. So by adding this all, what you get? You get 150 plus 20, 170, 170 plus 25. That is rupees 195. So we can write here rupees 195. So what we do here first? First we add this first term, then we add taken this second term, and then we add this third term answer. Okay, because the three things we are given here. So how much is the total money? Rupees 195. Okay, now the number 2, 1 rupees 500 note. So let's write 1 is there, so we have to write only 500 rupees. Okay, plus 1 rupees 100 note. So 100 note is how many? 1 only. So we can write only once time. Okay, now the next 1 10 rupees note. 10 rupees note is also how many? 1 only. So we can write rupees 10 and 1 rupees 5 coin. So 5 rupees 5 how many coin? 1. So we can also write it rupees 5. So now we can add this all. Okay, so 500 plus 100, 600. 600 plus 10, 610. And this 5, 615. So total how many? 615. So here total money is here rupees 615. Okay. Now let's see the number 3, 8 rupees 50 notes. So rupees 50 ki how many notes are there? 8. So we can write it out 8 multiplied by rupees 50. So that is equal to 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40. That means total how many it is called? Value rupees 400. Okay. Now plus 6 rupees 5 coins. So 5 rupees coins ke how many? 6 are there. So we can multiply this 6 by rupees 5. So what is the answer we get? 6 5s are 30. So the total, how much it is? Rupees 30. Okay, now we can add this both. This rupees 400 and this rupees 30. So what is the total cost here? Rupees 400 plus 30, that is rupees 430. Okay, so here we write rupees 430. Okay, so in this way we can find out the total money given in the form of the notes and in the form of the coins. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.